Hello all. Today I'm taking a look at the latest release, Ubuntu release 12.10, released today, Thursday, October 18th, 2012. Um, I did an in-place upgrade, which is probably the first time I've ever done that for any operating system. I upgraded from 12.04 to 12.10. And it didn't take long to download, but it took a little while to install. But so far, everything's running well. Noticeable things on the side here of the panel. I still can't move it. You can resize it, but that's just the smallest it can go. But noticeable thing were Amazon and Ubuntu One Music Store. These are known as web apps. You obviously probably heard of them before anyway. Clicking on them will open your default browser, in this case Firefox. So say Ubuntu One Music Store. It opens and it connects and asks you to log in. Now I've added other ones, Gmail, Facebook, YouTube, Google+, OMG, Ubuntu, and Reddit. So say Reddit. I'll open that. Let's open OMG Ubuntu. Now let's see if we can catch this on video. YouTube. Yep, look at that. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's because of the application, the web app, or if YouTube.com is down, but I just thought it was interesting. Another neat thing is the Alt-Tab. And it will show you the websites that are open, and it would normally have YouTube there, but apparently it's not there. Okay, so how do we get this? Well, it's built in, it's baked into the OS, so you go to a website that's supported. Not all websites support this. I'll close this too. Say last.fm. Do a search. As soon as you hit the link, yeah, there it is. It usually pops up and stays there, but this blue information, would you like to install Last FM radio for extra features and quicker access? You have a choice to install or don't ask again. So let's try just install. And it usually shows up on the side. It takes a second. There it is. Last FM. Now sometimes when I close it, yes, the icon disappears. So if you want to add it in, last, there it is. You can just drag it down. There, so Last FM, Reddit, the Ubuntu site. Let's see if YouTube's happening again. Nope. Okay, so we have 3 sites now, and they all tab through. Or show desktop. There we go. So you can see they're highlighted here. Each one is open new window, unlock, or quit. And I haven't really tried much with Last FM. Okay, another thing, other than the web apps and the Amazon store search in the dash, is that should have, there it goes. When you have this to choose between ones, the open windows, there now is an X, a close button on the top left of each open application. So you just hit that if you want to close it, and it goes back down to 2, or you can just choose one to open. Fairly simple, and we can close that. And now Dash itself, as far as the Amazon, I'm not sure. Books. Oh, sorry. But these look like, to me, they look like they're from the Ubuntu store with the logo here. But as you can see, oh, actually this looks like it's audio, so let me see if we can play this. Yeah, it is playing. Okay, enough of that. Okay, and you can download, you can preview here, and you can do the same if you have a music library. Just right click and go back. And let's try it again. I don't have any music on the hard drive. But yeah, so music, and you can search, and if you want something you can buy it from the music store, or you can preview your whatever you have on your hard drive, and I think it's integrated into Last.fm. So that's one thing with a search. You can supposedly you can turn this off. When searching DAS, include online search results, so off. So let's try that again. Let's do a search for books. Whoa. Books. Okay, now, yeah, see, it's, I think, yeah. Okay, just quick glance, they look like they're all free, so whatever. Same thing, right click, and free download. If you hit that, you don't have to go to the Software Center anymore, if you're not inclined to do, and just type in your credentials, and there it goes, it's installing. I don't have no idea what I just downloaded, but it's it's installing something. But just to show you, okay, and in here, yes, we get spam and empathy, which drives me around the bend. Is whatever you've added, for the most part, to your sidebar. You also get in the messaging system. And back to Dash, Gwibber. There's a new Gwibber lens. Sometimes it takes a while to download from the web. Or you can enter a name. You can enter a Twitter account or Facebook. And you can filter your accounts and stuff. For some reason it isn't working, but that's okay. Videos. Videos from what you've downloaded, I guess. Books. And okay, so a lot of okay, this is installed. Okay, I had no idea it was going to do that. So, like I said, really web app oriented, web OS kind of cloud aware in Ubuntu 12.10. And some other changes like about this computer. It does a check for updates and tell you if it's updated or not. Everything else is kind of the same. And in all settings, we have the online accounts, which you can add. You can options for empathy, Twitter, Facebook, or what other accounts you have. There's a few more than what was in there and previously. This is pretty much the same. I don't see anything too different. Finally, desktop backgrounds. We get some new ones. That one's kind of nice. Clouds. And, yeah. Piano one's kind of neat. Notice too this small animations actually when you minimize and then restore. And here's where you launch your icon size. So default is 48, which is, you can still use it, but you have to scroll with your mouse up and down. So I just set it for now to the smallest, which is 32. Not much in the way of themes unless you have installed Radiance, high contrast, or just the ambience default. And that's about it. It's updated kernel to 3.5, I think. Yeah, 3.5.0-17. And like I said, everything went fine in upgrade. It kept my video drivers that I downloaded and configured them, no problem. Boot time, it's about the same. Most of the applications I had worked. Some custom things like the minimize, maximize workaround, where you have this and you click here would minimize the window. That's not working anymore. It's probably something to do with these web applications. So that's just a quick overview of Ubuntu 12.10. If you like this sort of stuff, I guess it'd be kind of worth installing. I'm sure some people find Gmail web app come in handy. You know, this will notify you if there's anything here. And that's about it. I'm probably missing something. Ubuntu Software Center is pretty much the same. Recommendations if you sign in. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, so there you go. Just an overview. It's not really a review. It's just an overview of what's been up with the Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and any comments or questions, you know, always feel free to add them. And we'll talk to you soon. And bye for now.